Hi OTB Land, Kitty here with the catering department. Today we're going to be discussing what information is included on pack slips. It's very important that you always fully read a pack slip so that you can verify that you have everything that should be included on an event and that each item has been prepared to the guest specifications. Let's get started. First, let's discuss what a pack slip is. A pack slip lists each food item as well as equipment needed for each specific event. The Heart of House uses a pack slip to know what items to make. The caterer uses a pack slip to not only know what to bring, but also as a checklist of what they have already prepared and packed. It is incredibly important that the caterers, managers, and cocineros all thoroughly review the pack slip for each and every event. You should never bring a copy of the pack slip on site to your event. Let's start off by reviewing a pack slip for a standard delivery. At the top, you'll see the invoice number, company name, delivery date, and the 30-minute guaranteed delivery window. Below that, you'll find the delivery address as well as the contact name and phone number of the guest that booked the event. Here you'll find more information about the event, including the type of event, payment type, number of guests, and the on-site contact's phone number and name. To the right, you'll see the food out time. This is the estimated time that the food should be prepared, packaged, and ready to go by. Please note that this time should be adjusted locally based on the location of the event from the restaurant, as well as traffic, construction, weather, and known on-site specifics like limited parking or security. These times will also potentially need to be adjusted if caterers are taking multiple events. Below the food out time, you'll see the departure time. This is the estimated time that all the food and equipment should be loaded and leaving the restaurant. Again, just like the food out time, feel free to adjust these times locally as needed. Below that, you'll see the guaranteed 30-minute delivery window. The caterer must arrive within this window, and this time cannot be adjusted locally. The same order notes that are listed on the invoice are also listed on the pack slip. These notes are incredibly important. They review guest preferences, allergy information, special delivery or setup info, and also revision notes. Make sure you always read the order notes. Next, you'll see the food item categories, along with the item ordered within each category. Below the food ordered, you'll see a list of all food item components with measurements and quantities listed. You can utilize the catering packing guide that's available on LimeLife to confirm what size container you should use based on quantity ordered. Just to note that as food items are prepared, temped, and packed, you should be recording the food temperatures on the pack slip and then saving those pack slips in the office for 3 months. You'll also see a note listed to remind cocineros to pack all hot food in the disposable aluminum pans. Below the food components, you'll find the estimated amount of paper goods needed for the event. Monkey does not correctly compute the number of serving utensils needed. Using the delivery utensil guide available on LimeLife, go through each food item and manually count the quantity of serving utensils needed for the event. The bottom of the page will show you how many pages of the pack slip there are. At the very end of the pack slip, it will tell you who in the catering office entered the order in Monkey. There's also a place for the team member at the restaurant who assembled the event to sign off, as well as the team member at the restaurant who verified that all the items were packed. Delivery Deluxe pack slips look very similar to delivery pack slips with just a few differences. Just like on the invoice, the 30-minute delivery arrival window will be listed here, while the specific eat time for the event will be listed in order notes. The breakdown and recycling instructions will be seen as line items on the pack slip, but just remember, all the information that you need to share with the guest on breakdown and recycling is listed out on the invoice. You'll also see the warming kits with each component listed out on the pack slip. Just remember that this is an estimate. You still need to plan out the event to confirm the quantity of each item needed. For more information on that, refer to the Delivery Deluxe video. There'll be a few differences with a full service pack slip. The duration of the serve time will be listed at the top. Remember, your event must be set up and ready to go by the beginning time listed. Beneath the food out time and departure time is the setup start time, just like it's listed on the invoice. You must arrive as close to this time as possible so you have enough time to set up your event. The same order notes from the invoice are also on the pack slip. Remember, there's very important information on full service events, so be sure to check this and review any pertinent information with your Cocineros. Since you're using metal chafing dishes on full service events, there's a reminder to pack the hot food in metal pans. Remember to only use metal pans and metal chafing dishes, and in the chafing dishes, you can only use 2-inch or 4-inch hotel pans. Be sure to review this with your Cocineros. The pack slip also shows full service equipment that's needed. Remember, this is just an estimated amount. You will need to plan out the event to confirm the quantity of each item needed. For more information on this, check out our full service videos. You can also utilize the full service utensil guide available on LimeLife to identify which serving utensils go with each food item. Setup and retrieval pack slips look identical to full service pack slips except for the type of service listed at the top, and the serving time will only show the time that the event will need to be set up by. There'll also be retrieval information in the order notes. For pickup pack slips, you'll see that pickup is noted at the top along with the pickup time. Just like the invoice, exact pickup time is listed in order notes. There's also a reminder that all hot food for pickup events should be packaged in aluminum pans. To learn more about catering, be sure to check out our other videos available on LimeLife. Until next time, grow OTB.